Hello students, as we have learnt in chapter 2 about addition facts, similarly in subtraction chapter we have some subtraction facts that we use while subtracting. We learn them, they are the rules just like. So let us learn now subtraction facts. So first rule is munient should be greater than subtrahend. It is essential condition for subtraction that the number from which we subtract should be greater than the number which we subtract. We can take one example. Suppose 15 minus 3. 15 is greater than 3, so we can subtract. Okay, subtraction is possible, but we cannot write like this. We cannot take first smaller number and we have to subtract bigger number. This is not right. Okay, so if we have munient greater than, then only we can subtract. As 3 minus 15 is not possible, we have 3 things and we have to give 15. Suppose we have 3 toffees and we have to give 15. It is not possible. We have to take more toffees from canteen or market or from our friends. So always for subtraction we take greater number first, then smaller, then subtraction is possible. That is the first subtraction fact. As I told you in previous video, if this is true, munient is greater than subtrahend, then munient minus subtrahend will give you the number which we call difference. Second subtraction fact is, if we subtract 0 from any number, then we will get the same number. As in addition fact also we have done. If we add 0 to any number, the number which we are getting will be same. Similarly, in subtraction fact, if we subtract 0 from any number, then the number will remain same itself. Third one is, if we subtract 1 from any number, then the answer will be the number just before that number. Suppose we have 2 numbers and we are subtracting 1. Then what we are getting? The number just before 100, 99. The number just before 72, 71. So from here what we learn, if we subtract 1, 99 is just before 100. If we subtract 1 from 72, we are getting 71, and 71 is just before 72. This is for 3-digit number, this is for 2-digit number, and if we apply this in more than 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, then it will be same. Suppose I have number 4,32,750, and if I want to subtract 1, then what will be the number? The number just before it. Here is 50, and what will be before 50? 49. So we will see only last 2 digits. Rest of the digit will remain same. So in this way we apply in subtraction from any number if we subtract 1. This is rule number 3 in subtraction. Let's take next rule. That is 4. If we subtract 10 from any number, then first we do simple subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So in ones place digit 8, 8, no change. In tens place digit from 8 it is decreased by 1. So what rule we follow? If we subtract 1, then tens place digit will be decreased by 1 and ones place digit will remain same. We can do in this in more than 2 or 3 digits. If we have one number 5159 minus 10 if we want to do, then only tens place digit will decrease by 1 and other place digit will remain same. Easy method. Let's take fifth rule. If we take any number and if we want to subtract 100, then only 100 place digit, which is 7 here, is decreased by 1. Means in only place 100 place digit we will subtract 1. Here will be 6 and other 2 digit will remain same, which are at tens and ones place. So we'll keep in mind, in addition if we add then we increase, but if we subtract then we decrease. Decrease means we do minus 1. If we take 4 or 5 digit numbers, suppose 51,789 minus 100, then what we will do? Only 100 place digit will decrease by 1, other digit will remain same. 100 place digit 7, it will decrease by 1, means we will subtract 1 from it. 7 minus 1 is 6 and 89 will remain same. In this way we get one rule. If we subtract 100 from any number, then 100 place digit is decreased by 1. If we subtract 10 from any number, then tens place digit is decreased by 1. Next is, if we subtract 1000 from any number, then as we have done in upper examples, here 1000 place digit will decrease by 1 and other place digit will remain same. So here will be 4 minus 1 is 3 in our answer, and 6 to 7 they will remain same. Let's take more than 4 digit. Take 7 digit number, 6 digit number. 5,26,810 minus 1,000. Then if we see here 1000 place, 1000 we are subtracting, means 1000 place digit we will check. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 place digit. It will be decreased by 1 and other place digit will remain same. 5 to here will become from 6 to 5 and 8, 1, 10 will remain same. Hope you understand it. Let's take next 7. If we subtract any number from the same number, then answer will be 0. It is of 3 digit number, we can take 2 digit number, we can take 1 digit number, we can take more digit numbers. 6149 minus 6149 means if we subtract any number from the same number, answer will be 0. These are some facts, these are some rules which we apply in subtraction, and we will remember it. And you also learn and you will write all these facts in your notebook. That's for the day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.